Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable always on display Muviz Edge on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and click on keyboard and search Muviz Edge. After search Muviz Edge, click on install. After click on install, you will see app is installing start. After installing app, click on open. Draw our app. Scroll down and click on Muviz Edge and turn on this button. After turn on this button and click on AOD. After selecting, click on apply. After click on apply, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.